Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check screen time on Android. At first, swipe down from the top of your screen and then tap on this gear icon to open your settings app. After that, scroll down and look for digital well-being and parental controls. Then tap on it. Now here you can see a dashboard displaying a pie chart with your screen time for today. Then tap on the chart to see more details. After that, tap on apps. Now from here you can see a breakdown of how much time you have spent on each app. You can also view your screen time for previous days by tapping on the date or using the menu options. You can choose Monday, Tuesday or any day as you want. Now if you go back and then scroll down, if you want to manage your screen time better, then you can set app timers and screen time limits for the digital well-being dashboard. If I open Facebook, then tap on set timer, then set 1 hour, then tap on done, and it's done. Now the timer has been added successfully on Facebook. And that's it. You have successfully checked your screen time in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.